Does not sound great at all. Got rid of the iPad instructions. I was going to use the iPad again for instructions today, but I decided not to because I've set it all up properly now, so it would get like notifications and stuff if people message me. And I was like, we'll just go back to the traditional style. Plus, I am just a traditional manual book made of paper kind of guy at the end of the day. So back to the manual. And Ruth, I'm going to call you Ruth. Thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the Square Gang as well. Square Gang. There you go. Square Gang. Because my throat hurts when I do it the traditional way. I'm not scared of spiders. I just think they should all die, says Nathan. That's not violent at all. Nah, man, don't kill spiders because one day they'll remember that you were the one that spared them. Ruth, hello, welcome in. It's lovely to meet you. I hope you're doing well today. I'm happy for Daddy Longlegs to chill in our ceiling, but that's as much as I can deal with. I like them because they eat the other bugs, you know? I like having them around. They're my little spider bros. All right, well, the nolling is complete. We're only an hour in, so that's not too bad at all. Darcy, you left your amiibo cards here, by the way. I'm going to retire Lynchy so I can build unencumbered. I knocked the light as I did so. They do look creepy. I do admit Daddy Longlegs spiders do look very creepy. Tell that to the wolf spider that ran at my arm after I'd taken the shopping out of the car. Yeah, I don't like having them on I don't like having them on my person at all, but I don't mind having them around. I don't mind like putting them into a container to take them outside or whatever. But I generally don't kill spiders myself. Yeah, I've been doing okay, Ruth. I've got a sore throat and I've had a COVID test done today. But aside from that, you know, I'm alright. I'm alive and I'm not in jail, so it's pretty good, really. I once had a huge spider crawling around inside my car when I was on the freeway. I feel like you've told us that story before, Fabasi. House geckos here in Hawaii. That is so great. We had in my hometown, where I grew up, we had a family, like generations of geckos. And every night there'd be a single gecko come up onto our kitchen window, and he'd just chill there and eat all the bugs that were attracted to the light of the kitchen. And that went on for years and years. So we assumed that it was like a different generation each time. You kill whiteheads and redbacks here. Even then, I don't know the last time I've seen a redback spider, but even then, I just take them outside. They're fine. I had one in the car once too. My sister tried to get out while we were driving. Thankfully, she forgot the seatbelt. Oh my god. Yeah. See, I would probably like calmly pull over and find a way to get rid of it out of the car, like get it out of the car. But I don't think I'd have a meltdown. That's for sure. You nearly lost your arm to a whitetail bite? Holy crap, Shags! I didn't know that. That's crazy. You just found a funnel web spider in your bathroom. Okay, well, those are serious business. We've had Bob, and then Bob's son, and then Bobby, and then Boberto, and then Bob Jr., and then Bob Jr. Jr. It's been years. That's so cute. I love that. Love that for you, Sassy. I don't know if I ever found a gecko in the house, though. I do like huntsmen and wolf spiders. They're pretty cool. But maybe we shouldn't talk about spiders so much in case people do get uncomfortable. Yeah, exactly. Like Darcy said, I hope there are no serious arachnophobes in the chat. Maybe we should temper this conversation as well a little. Definitely on the same wavelength, you and me, Darcy. Got bitten and didn't know, then over a week later it started flaring up and needed to be on a drip for antibiotics twice a day for 2 weeks. Oh my god. That's crazy, dude. That's a nightmare. No thank you. Oh, there was some message I missed earlier that I kind of read, but I didn't actually read it out or acknowledge it. Let me find it. So it was Ruth saying, I recently discovered the making and crafting category, so this is so exciting to see. Oh, nice one. Well, I'm glad that you found us, Ruth. I like you already. On this channel, we tend to do a lot of LEGO streams. I do play video games occasionally. Like, not this Friday just gone, but the Friday before I played some Splatoon on stream with some people in voice chat playing with me. But for the most part, it's a hell of a lot of LEGO streams around here. It's pretty chill about it until they told me if it gets to my shoulder that they need to amputate. I was like, WTF, I didn't think it was that serious. Yeah, that's insane. I'm obviously glad it didn't. And like, what a like lame thing to lose an arm to as well. Like, oh man, how'd you lose your arm? Spider bite. Like, that would be disappointing. Like, you want to lose it in like battle or something, you know? I feel like those spider and snake bites I got as a kid helped. Okay. My man, Stalking Tiger has he's seen some stuff. He's lived through it all. I'm just trying to vibe here and build my Lego, you guys. Can't stand it. Must build Lego. Sassy, you've been brought into the Lego fold through the stream. What set are you cracking open? The day I went to hospital to get a PICC line put in, a tube they used to get antibiotics directly to your heart, it was the first day my levels for whatever they were concerned with had gone down and they recovered pretty quickly from them. Gee whiz. That is insane. Limited edition Carrot House. That's such a cute little set. I didn't get to get that myself, so now you've just made me jealous, Sassy. What is it with you Hawaiians and making me jealous over Lego? Duro has returned from discovering dinner. Welcome back, Duro. Okay, guys, we do seriously need to cut out the current conversation because Duro will not be comfortable with it. So let's once again talk about something else. Duro, what did you get? What food have you got? What food did you end up getting? Do tell. Zach M sent it to you. Hell yeah, what a guy. You love to see it. Imagine someone sending you a Lego set. How ridiculous would that be? Is my Twitch model in the background made of Lego too? No, it is not. This is 3D printed. It was ordered and custom 3D printed. Adrian ordered it and sent it to me. Adrian, if you're in the chat, speak up. So yeah, not Lego. I wouldn't even know where to start building something like that out of Lego. But this is Lego. This is designed by Duro and sent to me. This is knitting though. And this is polymer clay. The books are Lego. Looking forward to doing this minifig faces puzzle. Yeah, so Rick showed me when I popped into his stream earlier that he has picked up a I think I've seen it before. It's a Lego it's a puzzle, like a jigsaw puzzle. But the picture is all minifig faces. I feel like Duro, you got it or something. Corn, by the way, have you thanked Bonsall for sending